So dear students, here in this video we will talk about the view equivalent schedules. So there are two schedules given. We have to check whether these schedules are view equivalent or not. Means in other words, we have to check whether this S1 is view equivalent to a serial schedule S2. So there are three rules to check if the schedule is view equivalent or not. So you have to check in both the schedules the view of both the schedules is same or not. So what is the view? First read, we have to check that which transaction has made first read operation, then write read sequence, and then final write. If this sequence is same for the both the schedules, then we can call that these schedules are view equivalent. Okay, so we'll see, concentrate on schedule first, that is S1 having two transactions T1 and T2. So you have to draw this table like first read on variable A, who has made first read on variable A transaction T1. So you can see here first fresh read on variable A is done by transaction T1 for this first schedule. Then check who has read the fresh copy of B. Here the fresh copy of B is read by transaction again T1. So here T1 will come. Then check write read sequence, means which transaction has read the updated value, that is called as producer consumer. So if you observe that before this read A there was no write. So in T2 check, this is read A operation, and in T1 there is a write A operation. So this read operation is occurring after this write operation, means this read operation is having updated value. Okay, updated value, or it is called as producer consumer sequence, write read sequence. So it is occurring from T1 to T2 for variable A. So for data item A, the write read sequence is from T1 to T2. Then check for B. So this read operation of B in T1, but before that there is no write operation. Then go for this T2's read operation. This T2 read operation is occurring after this write operation. So the sequence is again T1 to T2. So for B, the read, write read pair is from T1 to T2. Then check final write. Who has made final write on variable A? So see, this is this is first write on variable A, this is second write, and this is the final write. Okay, so this write A is made by the recent one, which is final write by T2. So T2 has made the final write on variable A. Now check the final write of B. So this is first write of B and this is second. So second write of B is this one, that is a final write on B. So has made the final write on B, again T2. Okay, so this is we have done for schedule S1. Now check if this sequence is same for schedule S2. Okay, so come to this right side schedule S2. Now see, we have to check first read. Who has made the first read on variable A? T1. So right here T1. Then on variable B, again the first read is done by T1 here. So variable B, T1 is reading the fresh value of variable B. Then write read sequence, means write occurring first and then read, but in different transaction. Okay, so check this read operation on A is occurring after this write operation. So this has produced, this is consumed, so producer consumer. So the sequence is T1 to T2, right? This was of for variable A. Now check for data item B or variable B. So this is, see, this is read operation on B occurring on after this write operation on B. So this is updated value which is read by the transaction T2. So again the sequence is same for variable B, it is T1 to T2. Now the last point, that is the final write. Who has made the final write on the variable A? Okay, so see, on variable A this is first write, this is second write, and which is final one. So T2 has made the final write on variable A. So right here table, T2 has made final write on A. Now who has made final write on B? So this is first write operation on B and second write operation on B, this one. So this is second one is the final write on B, which transaction has made, that is T2 has made. Okay, so final write on B T2 has made, right? So we are done with all the operations on transaction S2, the schedule S2. Now check if these two schedules are having same view, that is this combination. T1 is first read, T1 first read for A and B. See, T1 is reading A, T1 is reading B here also. Write read sequence for A, T1 to T2, again here write read sequence T1 to T2. This is T1 to T2 for B also, T1 to T2 for B also in schedule 2. In schedule 1, final write of A is made by T2. In schedule 2 also final write is made by T2. In schedule B, final write is made by T2, and yes, in schedule 2 final write is made by. So these combinations are the same, so we can say that these two schedules are view equivalent, or S1 is view equivalent to S2. Hope you understood this. This sequence you can follow for all the combinations, and you can check if the schedules are view equivalent or not. Thank you all.